everyone, welcome to Python Developer Series. Today we will learn about input and outputs. Computer programs are designed to interact with users and the outside world. In this lesson, we will learn to create code that takes information in and sends information out. An input is any information that goes into a computer. The press of a key and the click of a button are examples of inputs. So here is a question for you. What's another example of input? It is the video captured from a camera that is connected to a computer. The input of instruction is the easiest way to allow a user to insert a value into your program. So we can just run this code here. So that message will print here. Explain what the code does. User entry is equal to input of. It will ask the user for a value that gets stored in a variable called user entry. Complete the code to take an input from the user. So age is equal to input of. An output is a way for the computer to communicate with the outside world. A message displayed on the screen and the sound from a speaker are examples of outputs. What is another example of an output? It is a document coming out of a printer. The print-off instruction, which you already know, it is the easiest way to get your computer program to generate an output. Complete the code to generate an output. So we can choose print from the given options, then parenthesis, then message, then close parenthesis. We can check it. Yeah, that's correct. The code below contains a bug. Can you fix it to generate the output? Yeah. In this code, the parentheses are missing. So we can add and run it again. So the bug is fixed here. A robot vacuum cleaner makes a beeping sound when it is stuck. The sound is an example of output. A robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with a sensor that helps it navigate its environment and detect obstacles. The information coming from the sensor is an example of an input. The program inside a robot vacuum cleaner declares a variable related to the proximity sensor. Select the correct way to name the variable using snake case style. Complete the line to create a variable that stores information from the sensor. So it will be this. Here we have a variable name and a variable value. What's the value stored in the proximity sensor? variable after the updates, it will be clear. We have username is equal to zombie, points is equal to 50, lives equal to 3. So we have to print points and lives here. So it will be 50 and 3. That means computer programs can have multiple inputs and outputs. Complete the code to get a user input and store it into a variable called address. So we can use function input of. The lesson takeaways. Inputs and outputs help machines communicate with the outside world. The input of instruction allows the user to engrave value into a program. The print of instruction is used to generate an output. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to handle different types of data. Thanks for watching.